We are going to walk through the 5 quick steps to installing and using the OpenDyslexic font in Chrome. Step 1. If you are given a link to the specific extension that you will be adding, click on the link. Otherwise, you will need to go to the Chrome Web Store. On a Chromebook, this can be accessed by the launcher in the taskbar, and then searching for the Web Store app. Once you've searched and the app pops up, you will click the app. Once the app opens, you will then need to search for OpenDyslexic font. But you could just type in OpenDyslexic. So that brings us to step 2. Step 2 involves opening the font. You will see it in the list of extensions, OpenDyslexic font for Chrome. Once again, it would have opened if you had the direct link. It would automatically take you to this page. Once you are on this page, that's where you're going to select the Add to Chrome button. That brings us to step 3. A new window will open up. You will select the Add extension. Once it is in your browser, you will need to enable it, and that is step 4. Enabling the extension. 5, turning it on. So when you first add it, you will get this little pop-up that says that you have added it. To use the extension, click on the icon, which is an O. If you accidentally click off of this, you can still get to that icon, and I'll show you that in a sec. So in order to turn it on, you will select the little O, and then you will toggle on where it says Enable OpenDyslexic. You have an option to adjust the font to bold or italic, but we're going to keep it on regular, and we are going to select Save. The little icon now will have a little orange square that says On next to it. Once you click off that menu, your icon may disappear, or if you didn't see it initially, what you can do is then select the little gray puzzle piece, find the extension in the list. As you see, it's right here with the little orange button. If I want it to live up in this bar, I will then select the little pin, and that will put it up in the bar by the URL, by the web address. The final step, step 5, is using the extension. So let's check out how to use it. So for this, we'll just go to Edmonds School District website. You will notice the font has changed, and it is now using the OpenDyslexic font. If I want to turn this font off and go back to the original, I can select the icon. I can turn off the enable, and it goes back to the original font. I can turn it back on and leave it on for all my web pages if I would like, for everything I am viewing and reading. This only works for reading web pages. If it doesn't load immediately after you've turned it on, simply refresh the page. And that's it. You're ready to go. Install and use the OpenDyslexic font in 5 easy steps.